Good morning, students. Today we will start the coding of HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. This language is used to create the web pages, and we do the coding of this on the notepad. We all are having notepad in our computer. So first we will open notepad from the start menu, click on start button and then choose. In search box, just type the notepad. Here is the option and we will select the notepad option. Here we will do the coding of HTML. For increasing the size of cursor, we will click on this. So in this language we use the tags which we type in between the brackets. For starting the HTML, we start with the container tag, and that is HTML. For this we will use, with shift key we will press this sign, less than sign. This have come in on our screen. You can see. Now we will type the HTML. You can type the HTML or any tag in even in small letters or in capital letters, because HTML is not a case sensitive language. This means that you can write your tags either in small letters or in capital letters. It will not affect. Now we will close this. Again we will press shift plus this greater than sign. You can see this is our first tag. The starting of the program is always with the HTML tag. Okay. Now we will write the head tag. Head tag is used to give the title on the title bar. Means the text you want to display on the title bar. We will display with the head tag. Again we will press on this key and we will type the head. And we will close this with the greater than. Here you can see. Okay. Head tag is also a container tag, because in container tags we are having starting as well as the ending tag. Okay. Now we will write the title tag. Title tag comes inside the head tag always. Remember this. Without head we are not able to use direct title tag. Now type the text which you want to display on the title bar of the web browser. Okay, welcome to my first web page. Now we will close the title tag. How we will close? We will press, and now for the ending we will press this backward slash. This backward slash indicates that this is the ending tag. This slash is the difference between the starting as well as the ending tag. After giving the title, we will also close the head tag, because the purpose of the head tag is only to give the title. Okay. And now we will give the body tag. The content which we want to display on the web page, those content is come under the body tag. Now we will type any text which we want to display on the web page. HTML hypertext markup language. Now after this I just want to close the body tag. This slash is the symbol of ending tag I told you. Okay, whenever you want to close any tag, then you have to use the slash, backward slash. Now we will close the HTML also, because I want to do the end of this program. Okay, now we will learn how we will save the program. First of all, we have to save this. Click on the file option, or you can press Ctrl+S. Choose the save option. This dialog box will come. From this dialog box, you have to type first the file name of your tag file. Press the delete button, then type the name of the text. I will type class seventh HTML. Okay, now we will give the extension also with this name, extension, by which we are able to open our file on the web browser. For type the extension, just put the dot symbol, this dot. After giving the file name, you have to press this dot and then give the extension. You can see the dot here after the HTML. Okay, now we have to give the extension, and the extension of the HTML is HTML itself. Okay, now click on this. Here is text document, means text document. This will, if we will save our file in text document, then we are not able to open this file on the web browser. So first we will change this type. Click here and choose the all file option. Always remember, here always comes the all file option. Then see the where you want to save your file, on documents or on desktop. Remember this place. Now click on the save option.